Welcome back guys, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Now Kiengei'S niatugetwo ni mutumia wake na oho onake niacokete akamutuga na ciugo cia wendo. It happened on Sunday during the church service at AIPCA Gatundu, where Kiengei'S ministers. His wife stepped on stage and gifted Kiengei'S with an art portrait of himself. Udura tigire asirika makenete muno, and even Kiengei'S himself, he was so happy. It was a surprise, he didn't see it coming, and he loved it so much. He took to his Facebook page to thank his wife with this lovely post here, a love message to her saying, "When a woman is in love with what you do, she will ensure that you are happy in it. She will support you to accomplish that what you love doing." Atumia mendaga o kwĩrwo nĩkĩ wendete, na matonya ho na hinya wao no nginya ũgacĩre. Atumia mũtikanakue tene. Kiengei'S augĩte mutumia wake niwe supporter ũrĩa mũnene mũno wa wĩra ũrĩa arutaga. She is his biggest supporter. She loves what he does and she supports him in accomplishing all that he loves doing. Na Kiengei'S niahoete atumia matikanakue tene, and also he says atumia mendaga tu kuonio o kĩrĩa mũthuri endete, and from there onwards they will support you to accomplish that goal. And he couldn't help showing off the beautiful portrait that his wife got him.